Check out this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front side airbag, pass-through rear seat, split bench seat, power windows, traction control, stability control, cruise control, and passenger airbag. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.